Welcome back to Turbo Rider, your ultimate destination for all things fast and thrilling on two wheels. Today, we are diving into one of the most exciting sports bikes to hit the Indian market in 2025, the updated TVS Apache RR 310. Known for its aggressive design and race-ready DNA, the RR 310 has received some notable upgrades this year, making it sharper, smarter, and more performance-oriented than ever before. Design and styling. The 2025 Apache Rural Route 310 carries forward its signature aerodynamic silhouette, but with subtle refinements. TVS has introduced new color schemes with sharper graphics, giving the bike an even more premium and aggressive appearance. The shark-inspired bodywork continues to dominate, but with better panel fitment and a higher quality finish, it's now even closer to a full-blown supersport in looks. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Apache RR 310 is the same 312.2 cubic centimeters, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine co-developed with BMW. It still churns out around 34 horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque, but the 2025 version gets slight ECU tuning for smoother throttle response and better low-end torque. Whether you're commuting in city traffic or carving through mountain roads, the engine feels more refined and responsive than ever. Ride modes and electronics. TVS continues to lead the segment by offering ride modes urban, rain, sport, and track, each tailored to different riding conditions. For 2025, these modes are now integrated with improved traction control and a new quick shifter that's smoother and more accurate. The ride-by-wire system has also been enhanced for a more linear and predictable power delivery. Suspension and handling razor-sharp dynamics. The suspension setup remains top-tier with USD front forks from KYB and a preload adjustable rear monoshock. However, fine-tuning in the damping has improved the bike's handling at both low and high speeds. Whether on twisty highways or race tracks, the RR 310 stays composed and confident. The Michelin Road 5 tires further enhance grip and cornering capabilities. Instrument cluster and connectivity, fully loaded cockpit. The 5-inch TFT display now offers better visibility under harsh sunlight and comes with updated graphics. You still get turn-by-turn navigation, gear position indicator, and Bluetooth connectivity through the Smart Zonnect app. Riders can access ride telemetry, call alerts, and lean angle data, making it a tech-rich offering in its class. Braking and safety. Braking duties are handled by a 300mm pedal disc at the front and a 240mm disc at the rear, assisted by dual-channel ABS. TVS has also worked on brake feel and progression, offering more bite and confidence at higher speeds. The ABS calibration is better tuned for each ride mode, ensuring optimum safety. Price and value. With all these updates, the 2025 Apache Rural Route 310 is priced slightly higher, now hovering around 2.75 Indian rupees lakh ex-showroom. But considering the enhancements in features, performance, and ride dynamics, it still offers unbeatable value. It remains one of the most complete entry-level sports bikes in India, competing directly with the KTM RC 390 and the Yamaha R3. Conclusion: the true track-bred machine. The 2025 Apache Rural Route 310 is a testament to TVS's commitment to constant evolution. It's not just a motorcycle, it's a statement: sharp, smart, and ready for action. Whether you're a weekend warrior or an everyday commuter with a taste for speed, this bike is built to thrill. Stay tuned to Turbo Rider for more in-depth reviews, comparisons, and all things two-wheeled. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.